What's up, guys? I got the DCD 887 3-speed brushless impact driver. This is Dewalt's newest impact driver in their lineup. It's got the 1/4-inch hex quick connect, 3 speeds on it. Tops out at 1,825 inch-pounds of torque, which is ironically 25 more than the Milwaukee Gen 2. They released it a couple months afterwards. These came out real quiet. They also introduced 2 new compact drills, brushless drills that came out with this as well. I got a 2.0 amp hour pack on here. I just bought this bare tool on Amazon for $129. Not bad. It's a great impact. Let's do a little close up here so you can see. The speed settings are down here right above the pack. At speed 3 you're at it's at 3250 a minute RPMs. Middle is the old setting of 2800 for the 886 set. That was top speed on that. And then low and you're at 1000 RPMs. So this thing flies through. I'm going to show you how quick it drops screws in some wood, and then we'll throw a lag in it too. Alright guys, I have some 3 3/4-inch construction screws with the T25 Torx head. I hate Phillips, they suck. This is going to be, this is speed 3. That thing just flies through. Let's drop to speed 2. Now this is 2 1-inch pieces of pine and a piece of, thought it was 1/2 inch. Looks like it could be 5/8. That's speed 2. Speed 2 is the same as the 886's settings. And then here's speed 1. You can see it'll torque out real. This is good for lighter duty applications. So not much else you're gonna do with that there, but it's good for the low, more precision mode, I guess you could call it. Speed 2, and here's 3. Yeah, this thing is boss. Yeah, it's stuck in there. There are little guys here. So let's see how it does with some lags. Alright, this is the infamous lag that killed the Rigid Gen 5X. I about chewed that piece of pressure treated all the way up, so this is pine. Well, I already told you what this is, but let's see how it does. Speed 3. Probably going to crack it to know tomorrow. You can get it set. There it goes. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's get the pine on there. Alright guys, I am back with a real piece of wood. Speed 3. If we can get it to set. That's about it. That's pretty impressive though. This thing is rock solid. Rock solid. My 886 with the proper anvil on there does a much better job because there's no loss of torque on it. Where this and the adapters are going to lose torque in that. So that's pretty good, about halfway in. That's tough wood. So it's a great little impact. I love this thing. So $130. This is their newest entry to the XR brushless lineup. So thanks for watching with me, guys.